करके जाएं, तभी आपके एजुकेशन का फायदा है। तो with the help of experts, coaches, Kawa Sensei is there. Good morning, Kawa Sensei. Miyazaki Sensei is there.
Good morning, everybody. Good morning.
All the coaches, and we welcome all to take the sessions. जो भी आप session लेना चाहें आने वाले weeks में, please inform us, and we start the ACEPH3 coaching and education program again for 3 days. तो आप इसको थोड़ा सा ध्यान रखें. 3 days means Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. So let's start with Surya Namaskar. It's the best way to start the day, the week, the month, and the session. So we start with Surya Namaskar. आज का सेशन आपको एक तरह से हमने आपको हम अपनी तरफ से ये मान रहे हैं कि आप सो रहे थे, आपको दोबारा से उठाना है, तो the best way to wake you up is सूर्य नमस्कार. और सूर्य नमस्कार के साथ ही हम ये सेशन शुरू कर रहे हैं और थोड़ा सा जूडो को भी टच करेंगे और वेडनेसडे से हम अपना लोड बढ़ाना शुरू करेंगे. ओके, सो वी वेलकम यू अगेन on behalf of Sports Authority of India, Judo Federation of India, and NCOE Bhopal. We welcome you again for athlete coaching and education program. Let's start our training. Let's improve our fitness and improve the level of judo in India, especially in this time of pandemic. Welcome. Let's start Surya Namaskar. स्टार्टिंग में हम स्लो करेंगे.
1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12
Watch from side angle also. Please.
2 3
Please follow all the 12 repetitions.
6 7 8 9 10 11 12 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 1 2
On boys and girls, we have to at least perform 40 to 50 repetitions minimum.
10
Good morning, Rachna ma'am.
12 1
Come on, Daya Sai. Nice to see you after a break. Keep going, Rita. Keep going.
6 7 8 9 10 11 12 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 1
Good morning, Poona ma'am.
3
Surinder sir.
4 5 6
Miyazaki sensei. Very good morning. Nice to see you.
10 11
Come on, Bijoy. Very good.
1 2 3 4 5 6 7
Good morning, Suman ma'am.
8 9 10
on, Brit Patel. Come on, Shruti Unyal. Good girl. Khushi. Very good, Khushi. Madhushri. Come on.
11, 12,
Come on, Veer.
1,
Good boy. Good boy.
3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11,
Come on, Gauri Savale. Very good. Very good, Gauri. Keep going, beta. Very good.
3, 4, 5, 6, 7,
Good girl.
8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 1,
Rachna ma'am is joining us from US. We can feel it
4,
from the window.
5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 1, 2, 3, 4, 6,
Come on, Monica. Very good girl.
8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12,
Come on, come on, come on, Patel. Very good.
3,
Come on, Lakshmi Nagar. Arivoli sir, nice to see you.
8, 9,
Tushar sir.
11, 12, 1,
Come on, Sangli sister, Shardha and Shambhu.
4,
Nice to see you all.
6,
Trishlani Shanvi, very good. Very good. There she is. I was waiting. Where is the second one?
1,
Yes, keep going, beta. Shabas.
3, 4, 5,
Last 4 minutes. Last 4 minutes.
9,
Last 4 minutes.
11, 12, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8,
Tawas Sensei, very good morning.
11,
Morning, Yashpal. It's great to see everyone in action. Shushma ma'am has set a very strong tempo.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. With good speed, because she is working out every day. We don't know about the kids, but she's working out every day. Oh my God, Ria Sangvi, very good, good girl. Now Ria also remember all the 12 steps. Yes, good girl, beta, very good. Kavya, very good. Rahul Anil, very good, beta, Shabas. Madhushri, chalo, chalo, Madhushri, ma'am, come on. Joy sir. Ishan Dhadve, very good boy, very good. Rohit, keep going, keep going. Last 2 minutes, last 2 minutes.
He is also in the house.
Last 1 minute, keep going. Last 3 reps, last 3 reps. It means it's the last minute. 1, 2, Last one. Come on, Riya. Come on, Anugya Sharma.
10, 11, 12.
Thank you, Sushma ma'am. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. As mentioned by Kausar, काफी अच्छा स्पीड से मैम ने कराया, तो आपको शायद अब डायनेमिक वार्म अप की भी ज्यादा जरूरत नहीं है. We can continue with our regular training now. And सूर्य नमस्कार वैसे भी तकरीबन आप ये समझिए कि 10 से 12 स्टेप्स हैं, जिसमें कुछ स्टेप्स रिपीट हैं, तो 4 से 5 आसनों के से मिलकर बनता है. तो आपको बहुत सारी मेजर जो मसल्स हैं वो इसको वार्म अप करने में, उनकी मोबिलिटी बढ़ाने में काफी हद तक आप रेडी हैं. और इसके साथ साथ ये भी अच्छा लगा देखने की सभी बच्चे इसको बहुत अच्छे टेम्पो के साथ ही कर रहे हैं और उनका फिटनेस भी काफी अच्छा है. तो इससे ये लगता है कि एटलीस्ट वी हैव नॉट, मतलब हमने 3 महीने जो आपके साथ ट्रेनिंग की, मोर देन 3 मंथ्स, वो वेस्ट नहीं गया और आपने इसको बहुत अच्छे से इस नॉलेज को लिया है और आप ट्रेनिंग भी रेगुलर कर रहे हैं. और जस्ट अगर आप देखें तो सिर्फ हमने इसको जानबूझकर बहुत पहले से इसको आप तक स्प्रेड नहीं किया कि यू हैव टू जॉइन इट, और सिर्फ एक दिन पहले किया कि हम भी अपने एंगल पर थोड़ा सा ये देखना भी चाहते हैं कई बार कि बच्चे कितना अच्छा रिस्पॉन्स करें. दैट इज वेरी गुड टू सी यू ऑल बैक अगेन. वी हैव नो वर्ड टू एक्सप्रेस. दोबारा एक्शन में, दोबारा ट्रेनिंग करते हुए देखकर हमें कितनी खुशी मिल रही है. थैंक यू वेरी मच. और इससे भी ज्यादा खुशी तब मिलेगी जब जल्दी से जल्दी ये जूडो हॉल, ये मैट्स, ये जिम्स खुल जाएंगे और आप रेगुलर अपने कोचेस के साथ जूडो ट्रेनिंग कर पाएंगे. तो अब हम शुरू करते हैं. थोड़ा सा बेसिक, वैसे अभी जितना भी मूवमेंट हम बेसिक ड्रिल्स में करते हैं वो सब हम कर चुके हैं, तो ज्यादा वार्म अप की रिक्वायरमेंट नहीं है. तो लेट्स स्टार्ट विद द जूडो सर्किट. जूडो सर्किट बहुत हाई इंटेंसिटी से नहीं करेंगे. आज का जो सेशन है वो सिर्फ आपको जूडो, जैसे आप सो रहे हैं काफी टाइम से, तो उसको उठाने के लिए है. तो आप स्पीड अपने हिसाब से स्लो फास्ट कर सकते हैं. आने वाले दिनों में जो सीनियर लेवल के बच्चे हैं जिनकी एज 16, 17 और 18 है, अगर वो इस सेशन में जुड़ रहे हैं तो दे कैन इम्प्रूव द स्पीड एंड द इंटेंसिटी. लोड बढ़ा सकते हैं वो एक्सरसाइज का. तो अभी आपको नॉर्मल वे में ही करेंगे हम सब लोग. तो पहला सेट मैं आपके साथ यहाँ से डेमोन्स्ट्रेट करता हूँ. उसके बाद हम आप सब लोगों को स्पॉटलाइट करेंगे, तो आप फोन की तरफ ना भागें, अपना वर्कआउट पे ध्यान दें. और इससे कोचेस, आपके कोचेस और हम सब भी आपको थोड़ा सा इवेल्युएट भी कर लेंगे कि इस ब्रेकडाउन में आपने कितना रेस्ट किया और कितनी ट्रेनिंग की है. राइट रिया, शो मी योर थंब. रिया, यस, शी इज रेडी. गुड. दिशा, वेरी गुड. अनुज्ञा शर्मा, वेलकम अगेन बेटा, वेलकम अगेन ऑल ऑफ यू, वेलकम अगेन. सो लेट्स स्टार्ट. आप सभी को बहुत अच्छे से याद है व्हाट इज जूडो सर्किट. इट्स अ सर्किट जिसके अंदर हम जूडो की अलग अलग एक्सरसाइजेस, अलग अलग टेक्निक्स को लेते हैं, जिससे हमारे अलग अलग मसल ग्रुप भी डेवलप होते हैं और हमारा टेक्निक का जो लगाने का ग्रेस है, टेक्निक की जो अप्लाई करने का तरीका, वो भी इंप्रूव होता है. सो लेट्स स्टार्ट विद द जूडो सर्किट. 20 सेकंड इज द वर्कआउट एंड 10 सेकंड इज द ब्रेक. Okay, so let's start with the Uchimata. Uchimata, keep going. Start with slow, basic movements. Keep going. Both sides, right and left. Don't forget to pull and to lift. Relax. You can relax. And the second exercise, second technique is Osotogari. Go! You can move forward, pull, swing. Will improve and increase the speed in the next set. Come on, keep going. Osotogari.
Use this set as a specific warm-up. Go easy. Don't go all out in this set. Don't tear your muscles. Go easy in this one.
Right and left.
Bend your knees, spring up. My Sabaki, my Mawari Sabaki. Bend your knees, spring up.
Relax, relax. Ochigari, don't fall, just keep standing there. Ochigari. Ochigari. First, pull your opponent close to you. Gari and push.
Remember, action, reaction. Pull, he will push. He will pull back. Push him at that time.
Relax. Now, the difficult one. Tamoin age. Sumigashin tamoin age. Go down. Tamoin age. Keep changing the legs. Relax. The next technique is Tayatoshi, or you can do it with Tsuyotoshi angle. Go. Don't forget to pull. Drop down. Pull. Go down. Try to touch the floor. In Tayatoshi, try to touch the floor. Go down. Yes. Very good. Now, 1 minute break. 1 minute break. 1 minute break. Relax for a while. And what we can do is to improve and to increase the intensity. You can add, for example, Uchimata. 10 seconds. You can jump on one leg, ken, and 10 seconds other. For Osotogari, you can apply 10 seconds on one leg and 10 seconds on other. For Shionage, you need to go down, not just standing, half squats, half squat, go down and then apply. This way you can increase the load on your muscle and on your heart, on your cardiovascular capacity. Wait for a while. Yeah, another 15 seconds. Wait. Another 15 seconds. And Ochigari. Ochigari, you can drop down in push-up position, okay? Watch me. Watch me. Pull, enter, Ochigari, drop down, get up. Pull, enter, Ochigari, down. ओके ऐसे आप अपना लोड बढ़ा सकते हैं एंड नाउ यू कैन इंक्रीज द स्पीड एज वेल इट्स टोटली डिपेंड ऑन यू एंड योर फिटनेस रेडी यू आर द बेस्ट जज नाउ टेक योर ओन कॉल्स रेडी go come on Rohit Uchimata Rohit yes, good boy. Come on, Rachna ma'am. Keep going. You can change the leg. In between. Mate. What you can do, you can do with one leg in this set and one leg in the next set as well. Osotogari. Swing, keep swinging. Yes, Anugya, very good Anugya. Change leg, or maybe you can change the leg in the next set. You can do one set with the right and one set with the left. Mate. Anugya, the next one is Shionage. Shionage is the next one. Okay? 2, 1, go! Yes, very good. Keep going, boys and girls.
Spring up dynamically. After going in, spring up, yeah, and twist your upper body when you throw. Just a little twist. Nice. Hariboli sir, fantastic.
Mate, very good Hariboli sir, Mate. The next one is Ochigari drop down.
Rohit, fantastic. Rachna ma'am, fantastic. Monica, excellent. Lakshmi Nagar, excellent.
Relax, relax. Wait for 10 seconds. Come on, Age. Come on, Lakshmi. Come on, Lakshmi Nagar. Come on, Age. Yes, good. Get up. Get up on one leg, boys and girls. Now you are fit and strong enough to get up on one leg.
Fantastic.
Okay, and the last one, last technique of this set. Come on, Sangle sisters, come on. Go, Taetoshi beta, Taetoshi. Siyotoshi as well. You can go for Siyotoshi as well.
Hi Shraddha, hi Shambhu. Fantastic. Children, go, go.
Mate. Very good, very good. The intensity is very good. Come on, Shardha and Shambhu, relax. And you know how to relax. Stretch, breathe in, squeeze your lungs and breathe out. Expand your lungs. आपको जब किसी कंटेनर में सामान डालना होता है तो आप उसको खोलते हैं, तब उसमें सामान डालते हैं, right? Same way, it's a natural, same phenomena. You need to expand your lungs by stretching your arms. आपका rib cage खुलेगा जब आप stretch करते हैं, तो then you can inhale more oxygen. You can fill more air in your lungs. Okay? इसका कोई भी, it's not just a magic. It's a basic principle. Stretch your lungs, breathe up. जब आप breathe in करें, और जब आपको निकालना है तो you need to squeeze. जैसे आप कपड़े को जोड़ते हैं, you need to squeeze. आपको press करना है. Very good, very good. The intensity is very high. Boys and girls are very fit. Kavasar, that is something which we evaluate from our end. और बाकी coaches हैं यहाँ पर, वो अपने बच्चों पे थोड़ा सा ध्यान दें और देखें. They did very well. In fact, काफी जगह से ये भी आया है कि कुछ कोचेस ने इसके बाद भी कंटिन्यू ट्रेनिंग कराया है. That is very good sign. Nobody can take the all India, पूरी इंडिया को सारा रेगुलर ट्रेनिंग करना. It's not easy. और वैसे भी इतने लोगों को एक साथ मॉनिटर भी नहीं किया सकता. तो we need help of all the coaches to monitor their students and the players participants. Ready everyone? 10 more seconds. You can have water now. You can have water now. And to increase the intensity, now there is no need to apply one osotogari. What you can do is you can jump on one leg and keep swinging. Now increase kare apne intensity ko. Ready? And the first technique is Uchi Mata. Ready everyone? Go! Uchi Mata, come on. Yes, Monica, very good girl. Come on, Lakshmi. Yes, Lakshmi, keep jumping. Keep your hands close to your head. Yes. Very good, very good.
Remember what Yamashita Sensei taught us. Your hikite, pull it down to the ground. Hikite hand, straight down.
Pulling hand down to the ground.
Straight. Very strong hikite.
Good, Lakshmi, good, Lakshmi. Next technique is Osotogari. Come on, Monica, good girl. Come on, Osoto. Yes, very good, Monica. Keep going, beta, keep going.
Outstanding.
You can change 10 seconds. Yes, very good, Patel. 8 Patel, very good.
Outstanding on both legs. The balance, the rhythm, the timing.
Mate, relax, Monica, relax, beta, relax. Relax, Monica, relax. Now, Sionage. Come on, Shardha and Shambhu. Go, Sionage. Yes, very good, Shambhu, very good. Good, Shardha, Chalo, Shabas, very good. Paul, come on, Nishanvi, Trishna, Pragati from Gujarat, very good boy, very good, come on. Mate, now we need to be careful. Ochigari and push-up position. Apply Ochigari, push-up position. Go, Ochigari. Come on, Daya. Come on, Daya. Good girl. Come on, beta. Chalo, chalo. Everyone is watching. Chalo, Ochigari. Ochigari, Daya. Yes, Ochigari. Very good, Madhushri Desai. Very good, very good, very good. 4 seconds more. Good, Pragati. Very good. Mate.
Fantastic, Pragati Gujarat. Very good. Very
Relax,
good.
relax. Madhushri ma'am, great, great ma'am. Leave it ma'am. This is from our side. Leave it.
Excellent job.
Tamoinage, go everyone. Tamoinage, go. Tamoinage, go down, go down. Yes, keep going everyone. Good, good. Increase the speed. Come on everyone. Come on Ishanvi, speed up. Yes, good. Come on Tushar.
Outstanding, ma'am. Outstanding.
Mate. Now the time for the last technique. Last technique, that is Tayatoshi. Tayatoshi. Go! Go everyone. Tayatoshi. Tayatoshi and Siyotoshi. You can mix. Come on Yash. Very good. Kamble. Kamble, very good. Bowl it beta. Chalo. Come on Viraj Patel. Keep going. Keep going. Relax. Relax everyone. Spotlight please. Very good Yash. Very good Yash Kamble. Very good boy. Very good. Stay there beta. Stay there. 2 more sets. 2 more sets like this. And then couple of core exercises. And that's all for today. So you can recharge yourself now. Sabse pehle, oxygen level. Decrease your pulse rate with the help of deep breathing. Good morning, Sanjeev Lakhar sir. Very good morning. Come on, everyone. Relax, stretch, breathe. Relax. You can walk.
The long-term benefits of exercise will give you a low heart rate. It will give you a very, very strong stroke volume. Every time your heart beats, it will throw out more oxygen from the left ventricle into your system. And these are the benefits of long-term exercise on your cardiovascular system. Yashpal sir, let's go.
Yes, sir. Ready, everyone. The time is up. Ready. Uchimata, go. Keep going, keep going. Yes, very good, Pragati. Very good. Whoa, sir, look at the leg. Very good, Pragati. Very good. Very good. Ask your sibling to work out with you as well. Chalo.
Outstanding, outstanding.
Mate. Relax, relax, and ready for Osotogari. Ready for Osotogari. Go, Osotogari. Yes, Ishanvi Trishla. You have very good training culture in your home and very good library as well. Yes, keep going, keep going.
Lovely girls. They change the legs on their own. Amazing.
Yes, sir. Relax, beta, relax. Relax, everyone. Very good. Very
Monthan and Mohit, hello. So good to see you.
Sionage, 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 everyone. Sionage, Sionage, Sionage.
Go, go.
Very good. Come on, come on, come on. Yes. Monthan and Mohit. Very good speed, boys. Boys and girls, very good.
Very good fast twitch muscles. Very good explosive.
Mate, Mate, very good, Bijoy Sahab, very good. Bijoy, too good, too good. Stay there. And
Oh, excellent Bijoy. Excellent Bijoy.
Ochigari, Ochigari, Bijoy, Ochigari, come on. Ochigari, Ochigari and drop down. Yes, very good, both of you. Too good, too good. Wow. It seems we can make them host for a day. They are too fit, both of them.
Amazing fitness.
Yes, sir. Both of them. Keep going, keep going, keep going. 2 seconds more. Mate. Very good. Very good. The next one is Tamoinage. Bijoy. Come on. One more exercise from your end. Oh, Tamoinage. Tamoinage. Go down. Tamoinage. Yes. Kicking. One leg. Yes. Yes, good. Very good.
Little slow, Bijoy, little slow. Take it easy, take it easy. It's the first day today.
Very good. Very good. Mate.
Outstanding work.
Relax. Let's get up, Bijoy. Get up. Chalo. Tayatoshi is the last. Tayatoshi. Go, go, go. Tayatoshi. Tayatoshi. Come on.
Go, Ria, go. Tayatoshi, go. Yeah, lovely. Superb. Yes.
Very good. Very good.
Nice, girl. Off balance. Come on. Lift the hands. Up. Uzushi. Up.
One.
Yeah.
Mate. Yes. And the last set after this. Last set. Last set after this. So wait for a while. Wait for a while.
It's so good to see some of you choosing to do these beautiful circuits instead of fighting with the weights. It's a very nice change.
Yes. Stretch. And in the last set, you can increase the intensity. Now, अब आप अपने आप से पूछिए, अपने आप से evaluate कीजिए कि आप कितना लोड दे सकते हैं, कितना स्पीड बढ़ा सकते हैं. Don't push yourself very hard. ज़्यादा tough और ज़्यादा hard. Or I can say, don't be cruel to yourself. We can do it in later stages of your life. As soon as you process 16 and 17, then we can increase the load, intensity, and we can introduce a very high intensity interval training with you.
We don't want any injuries. We want you to be strong for the long run.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Come on.
Tushar, good to see you teaching the young one.
Yes, sir. Last set. It's the fifth one, I guess. Chalo. Last one, and you can change the legs in between. You can change the technique. आप अगर चाहें तो आप सियोनागे के साथ कुछ और टेक्निक सियोतोशी ऐड करना चाहते हैं, या उच्ची माता की जगह अगर आप हराय गोशी करना चाहते हैं, तो you can change. You have the freedom. But आपको 20 second exercise उच्चीकोमी करना है, 10 second break. That is final from this side. Ready, everyone? Go! Come on. Start with Uchimata. Uchimata. Ikite. Surite. आप अपने हाथों का ध्यान रखें. Pulling hand should go down towards the floor.
Anugya, remember that Shruti, remember Yamashita Sensei's right hand. Straight. Put it straight down. Yeah.
Mate, Shruti.
You remember?
Sotogari, next, go! Oh, Sotogari, yes, Aziz, come on. Aziz from Tamil Nadu, very good boy. Come on.
Fantastic, Aziz, fantastic.
It shows he worked out in the break time as well. Very good, Aziz.
You're looking very strong, touch wood.
Mate, relax, catch a breath. Ready for Shionage, go Shionage. Yes, very good, Ishan. Speed up, Ishan, now you can speed up. We know you are 17 now, speed up. Come on, Bijoy, very good speed, Bijoy, very good. Mate. And the next one is Ochigari drop down. Wait for a while. Mate, Bijoy, mate. Go, Anugya. Chalo, Ochigari. Yes, Anugya. Good girl. Yes, Anugya. Come on, Anugya. Push. Anugya, Ochigari karte push karo haathon se. Yes. Then automatically push-ups ho jayega. Yes. Good now.
Wow. Outstanding. You follow instructions very well. Keep it up. Mate.
Yeah, Mate, we're ready for, oh, nice to see Harshvardhan and his father. Come on, Harsh, come on, Harsh, go. Yes. Sir, you can join him too. You can just increase the intensity. Yes. Come on, Dinesh sir.
Dinesh sir has been working out. We can see that right through the holidays.
Mate. The last exercise of the day is Shiyotoshi. Come on, Dinesh sir. Come on, Tej, Diyarani. Chalo, beta. Very good, both siblings.
Fantastic speed, children. Really. Tej, fabulous.
Mate, relax. Stretch your arms. Shake your legs. Yes, Bijoy, very good speed. Bijoy and his partner, very good speed. Very good intensity. Very good. Thank you. Come on, relax for a while. This is not the end of the training. Still we have a core circuit of 5-7 minutes, maybe 10 minutes, the last. But before that, you need to bring your pulse rate down to the warm-up zone, somewhere close to the workout zone, like 110 and 15 or maybe 20. So we have almost 2 minutes rest. Just get up, shake your arms, stretch. Come on. Ready. You can have water in break time now. Please take water. Still, we have very humid atmosphere out there. Don't worry, today we have very good and long cool down session in the last. To start the session, we have to start with the warm up and finish with the cool down. Relax. Another 30 seconds. Couple of ab crunches and couple of planks we have. Timer, please. Ready, everyone? Basic crunches. Watch me. Basic crunches. लेकिन आपका पैर ऐसा नहीं होगा. You need to keep your legs in the butterfly position. Watch from front. Butterfly position like this. Okay? And for 30 seconds, we'll do crunches. 30 seconds. Ready, everyone? Go! Keep going. Breathe out. Breathe in. Breathe out. Don't take help of your hips. Don't jerk. Slow down. Nice and easy.
This is not about speed. This is about strength and correct form.
Breathe out, breathe in. Relax. Yes, relax. Now, keep your legs, keep your feet on the ground. Try to touch your heels with your hands. You can try to touch the opposite leg as well. Move like a viper. Ready? Go. For 30 seconds.
Working your muscles.
Keep your head in the air, upper body in the air. Just your lower back. Use just your lower back on the floor. Relax. Okay, now 45 seconds plank. 45 seconds basic plank. अगर आप थक जाएं तो छोड़ना नहीं है. You can keep your knees on the ground. Okay? आपको बेसिक करना है. अगर आप थक जाएं तो घुटने जमीन पर रखिए. Ready? Go. 45 seconds plank.
If you find this very easy, after a few seconds, you can lift one hand straight in front. You can lift the other hand. You can lift one leg. You can lift the other leg. You can lift one hand and the opposite leg. Enjoy.
Come on, last 15 seconds. Relax.
Excellent. Excellent, everybody. You're so good.
Relax, stretch your core for a while. Now the side plank. Side plank. On the one side, you can lift your hand and leg in the air, make a very beautiful star as well. अगर आप easy करना चाहें तो basic कर सकते हैं. Ready everyone? Up. The basic one and the advanced one. Totally depend on you.
This is one of the most difficult planks. Keep your body firm. Concentrate on the core.
Lift, yes. Just 30 seconds.
Relax.
Relax and change the side. Come on, Tej. Tej, change the side. Yes, good boy.
Ready? Go.
Up. You can lift hand, you can lift leg. If you want, you can stay flat. If you find it difficult, you can continue with the basic one.
Relax.
Relax. And the last one is the Superman. Lie down flat with your face down. Face down. You need to lift all your limbs, your hands and your legs for 30 seconds. Ready?
Go.
Go. Stay there. Superman. Fly in the air.
If you want to do it and make it a little difficult, you can pull your hands, both the hands, in and out, in and out. Don't touch them. Yeah, don't touch them on the mat. This is very difficult. It works your latissimus dorsi or the upper back muscles. It's very good for judo pulling, extremely good. You can move your hands straight and bend, straight and bend.
Get up, everyone. One more round like this. Just relax. Relax. Stretch your core. Stretch your core. आपको एक बात का हमेशा ध्यान रखें, जब भी आपको ब्रेक मिले, जब भी आपको ब्रेक मिले, जिस मसल पे लोड था, उस मसल को आपको थोड़ा लोड कम करना है और इसके साथ साथ आपको अपना पल्स रेट को भी नीचे लाना है. इससे क्या होगा? इससे आप आने वाली जो एक्सरसाइजेस हैं, इसके बाद जो एक्सरसाइज है, उसके अंदर आप ज्यादा फोकस कर सकते हैं, ज्यादा अच्छे से अटेम्प्ट कर सकते हैं. तो जब भी आपको ब्रेक मिले, instead of talking like me, you can relax and control your breath. For me, it's difficult to control my breath because I have to interact with you. So in the meantime, you need to relax, stretch, stretch, stretch back.
Yashpal sir, let us call this the reload phase. So
Yes.
we reload, then we load. That is a strength phase. And for plyometrics, it's the explode phase. So we can break it up into 3. Reload, load, and explode.
Wow, wow. Thanks, sir. I make notes today and I change the names. That is very good. ये वैसा ही है जैसे आप वेट ट्रेनिंग करते हैं या आपके स्कूल का बैग है या आपका पार्टनर है, एवरी टाइम यू एंटर फॉर अ टेक्निक यू लिफ्ट एंड देन यू लीव, रीलोड, एंटर, लिफ्ट, देन रीलोड, क्योंकि आप कंटिन्यूस उसको लिफ्ट कर कर नहीं रख सकते हैं। ऐसे ही आप अपनी बॉडी को भी कंटिन्यूस लोड नहीं दे सकते हैं। फाइट में भी ड्यूरिंग द ग्रिपिंग एज वेल, we need to take grip, and sometimes when we feeling tight we relax and then again change, keep changing hands, keep changing postures. That is natural phenomenon.
We have to link this. You're absolutely right. In our judo shiai, there are points in the shiai where we have to think that we should reload, get our breath back before we do the next loading and the next exploding. Yeah, it's a very good point. In the fight also, it's very important.
Come on everyone, get down to the first abs position. First abs position, legs in the shape of butterfly. Come on everyone. Yes, go. Keep going. 30 seconds. Very good, Shruti. We are watching. Come on, Shruti. Very good. Keep going, beta. Keep going.
Shruti, outstanding.
Come on everyone. We'll upload this video on YouTube as well. Come on.
Relax.
Mate, relax, Shruti. Very good girl. Very good. Relax everyone. Enjoy, relax everyone. We'll upload these videos on YouTube as well. You can watch it. You can ask your friend to continue their training with the help of YouTube as well. Come on, next one is the wipers. Can you please change this for me? Wipers, come on, Tanish, come on, leave it, beta, leave it. Chalo, Tanisha, chalo. Wipers, go, touch your toes, Shruti. Yes, very good, Tej, very good. Keep going, 30 seconds. Mate, relax. Now the basic plank, Tej, go for the basic plank after 15 seconds. Harshvardhan, relax beta, relax. Abhi ruko. Abhi nahi. Wait for 20 seconds, stretch, 15-20 seconds break. Okay everyone, take the position of plank. Come on Harsh, take the position of plank. Take position up for 45 seconds. Yes, very good. In a line, very good line. Stay there. Good boy. Almost half, 20 seconds pass. Come on, stay there. Very good, Rachna ma'am, very good. You listen Kawasar very carefully and follow him accordingly. Very good. Stay there, another 10 seconds. Stay there, 10 seconds.
Rachna ma'am, lift your left hand.
Opposite hand.
Yeah, slowly. Yeah. Okay.
Mate, very good, ma'am.
That's a challenge now. You will do it easily.
Rachna ma'am, as you are a coach now, so hamesha bhi coach ko follow nahi karna hai. When you're tired, you can bunk sometime. Just a joke. Okay, boys and girls, left side or right side, your position. Take position, side pose. Come on, Lakshmi Nagar. Very good. Go, everyone. Make a star, Monica. Very good. Come on, Monica. Take position right. Go, Darivoli. Arivoli, sir. Very good. Stay there.
Lakshmi Nagar, fantastic posture. Very good.
15 seconds more. Arivoli sir used to train with karate as well, so we can feel the angle of his ankle.
Yeah,
Yes.
I like the outside of the leg inversion.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. This is very good. Come on. Last 5 seconds. 4, 3, 2, 1. Down. Relax, everyone. Relax. Very good, Yash Kamble. Very good. Monthan Dev. Very good. Other side. Other side. Other side. Other side. Montham and Mohit. Other side. Chalo. Take position. Up. Come on, Madhushri ma'am. Side plank. Yes.
This is very tough, Madhushri ma'am. Excellent. Excellent workout.
Come on, everyone. Come on, everyone. Very good, Ajit sir.
Aziz, superb, Aziz. Superb.
Very
Superb.
and stable plank. This is very beautiful. Stability is very good.
Aziz, you've become very strong with this program. Keep it up.
Another 10 seconds. 9, 7, 5. Ria, come on, Ria. 3, 1. Up. Yes. Ria.
Oh, lovely, Ria.
Okay, now face towards the ground. Face down, face down, face down towards the last plank. Superman plank. Superman plank. Face down, Ajit. Now lift your limbs, hands and legs in the air. Stay on your core. Come on, very good, Anugya. Anugya is the best. Yes, Anugya.
Wow. Wow, Anukya, wow.
She's flying. She's really flying. Yes.
Wow. Wow. This is not easy.
Last 10 seconds. Last 10 seconds, Anugya. Very good. Very good. We can take help of Anugya next session for the cool down. Today, we'll ask Gagan sir to take us for the cool down. Mate, Anugya, everyone, Mate, thank you very much. Nice to see you all training with the same intensity where we left just 14 days back. Gagan sir, please help them with a nice and easy cool down. Let them take the load down.
Stretch up. Move forward. Relax. One more time. Stretch up. Move forward slowly. Relax. Stretch up. Go down. Touch the floor. Relax. One more time. Stretch up. Go down. Relax. Stretch up. Stretch side. Hold. Up. Other side. Down. Relax. Change. Stretch your shoulder. Other hand. Stretch and hold. Change. Other hand. Change. Wide your legs. Up, stretch up, go down. Try to touch the floor and hold. Relax. Touch your toe and hold and stretch up. your toe. Wide your legs. Wide. Hold here.
Stay there. You need to reload. You need to reload. Nice word, Kawasar. We'll note it down.
Go forward. Try to touch the floor with your forehead. Up. One more time. Try to touch the floor.
Stay there. Reload. Very good.
Up. Change. Try to touch your knee with your forehead. Up. Other side. Up. Relax. Shake your legs. Shake. Change.
Stretch your hamstring.
Go
Quadricep
forward.
muscles. The same exercise can stretch the muscle of one leg, hamstring muscle of one leg, and the quadricep of other leg.
Go back. Stretch
Go
your
back.
quadricep.
Try to touch your head on the ground.
Other leg. Go forward. Up. Change. Go back. Up. Change. Change.
Hold your knee close to your chest. अच्छे से हक करो उसको. Very good.
Other leg. Change.
Stretch back. Turn your face back.
Other leg.
Good, Ajiz. Good.
Change. Up. Look up. Hold. Slow down. One more time.
Come on.
Stretch up. Hold. Relax. Relax.
Thank you, Gagan sir. Boys and girls, coaches will meet again on Wednesday. Tomorrow we have break. Okay, everyone? Tomorrow we have break. And please don't forget to be in the training with your tube. Don't forget to arrange tube now. Everyone, thank you, Ajiz. Thank you very much for your nice gesture. Everyone, yes, thank you very much, Rachna ma'am. Everyone, please arrange tube next time. Okay, please arrange tube for the Wednesday session. Wednesday we have pulling exercise as well as uchikomi with the tube. Okay, everyone. So we'll see you again on Wednesday at 7 a.m. sharp. Very good, Ria. Thank you very much. Please share the information with your other fellows. Some of them join us at 6. That is not easy now. We are not continue with the 6 a.m. session. और 7 बजे के सेशन में सभी वेलकम हैं. ग्रास रूट के साथ साथ सीनियर लोग भी आ सकते हैं. They just have to change the intensity of the exercise. That's it. They can manage the time on their own. Thank you very much, coaches, Kawas Sensei, Miyazaki Sensei, all the coaches of Sports Authority of India and non-Sai coaches. They join us, they train with us. Thank you very much, everyone. See you again on Wednesday, 7 a.m. Thank you very much.